Hi cutie, I'm call me Black Rainbow and you can call me Black Rainbow. Last time I already teach you how to draw the realistic human face and the proportion of facial feature, right? But some of cuties will tell me they know how to draw the realistic human face now, but they want to draw a human face with anime style. It is okay because this video will tell you how to do it. So you have to finish this video because in the end, I will give you a bonus just like the last video. If it is the first time you watch my video, I have to tell you, my channel is talking about the anime drawing and drawing tutorial. So if you are the person like to draw, you have to subscribe my channel and open the bell so that you will get a reminder if my video release and get the conception, knowledge, skills, techniques of drawing. Okay, so now we can draw a human face with anime style.
Before we draw the cute anime head, we can see this picture first. Usually people feel baby as cute, so we can reference the face proportions from baby. This picture is from Loomis, and he is a famous cartoonist. And when you see this picture, you will find the upper half is head. And you will find another interesting thing is all the baby facial features are in the lower half. And after we know this proportion, we can use this proportion to try to draw the cute anime head. So in here, we can draw the circle first. Next, we draw the cross inside this circle. And according to the picture, we know the hairline is middle in the upper half. But because I want to draw Nezuko, so I draw the hairline is little upper. After I draw the hairlines on Nezuko, now I divided the lower half of the circle into quarters. I sure it is the middle of the lower half and make two parts half-half. In here usually it's brow and the eyes, nose, mouth and chin. It means I already locate the facial features positions. Now we know all the facial features positions, we can get it started to draw it. And usually I like to draw hair first. So in here I draw hair first. And you will notice that I draw the hair is little upper because hair is cover our head. Of course, I need to draw the hair upper than the head. And today I draw the character is from the famous animation lately, Kimetsu no Yaiba. And the character is Nezuko. And I just want to demonstrate how to draw a cute anime head. So in here, I don't draw the details on it. I just want to make it simple. Okay, after we finish the hair, of course we have to draw the face. And usually we have to draw the face in this circle. I know that sometimes the face is not easy to draw symmetry. But it is okay if you always practice it. It will be easy to draw symmetry to you. After we finish the hair and the face, of course, now we can try to draw the facial features. Usually the brown is here, but I want to make the eyes bigger, so I just draw the brown is little higher. In the animation, Nezuko head is little long, but in here I want to make it cute, so I just draw the Nezuko head is like a circle, little round. And in here I draw the eyes is so circle and little long. It's not really circle like that, but it's just little long and make it cute. After we finish the eyes, we can draw the nose and mouth. And because I want to make the face more clear to you, so I don't make her bite bamboo in here. After we draw the face, of course we can draw the brush or shadow to embellish it. And after we erase the mark of proportions, of course we finish it.
Okay, now you already know the proportion of human head with anime drawing, right? Actually, it's a cute proportion. But if I give you a piece of paper, can you just draw like that? It is really hard and it's hard to remember the proportion, right? It is okay because today the bonus is this auxiliary lines of cute human head. You can say it's the auxiliary lines of cute anime drawing head. But it is the Chinese version. I will give you the English version in the video descriptions. But you have to watch how I use this to draw Nezuko.
Okay, after I demonstrate how I draw a cute anime head, now I want to demonstrate to you how I use this auxiliary line to draw a cute anime head. So that after you download this file and print it out, and you can practice it with me all the time, so that it will help you to learn how to draw it. We can draw a circle first. And because we already know the middle of the upper half is hairline, so we can draw the hairline first. It is the same in here. We draw Nezuko in here. And it is the same, I don't draw the detail on it, so I just demonstrate how I draw the cute anime head in here. And usually I like to draw the hair first, so in here I also draw the hair first. And of course, you don't need to follow the step like me, or draw the hair first or draw the face first, like that. If usually you draw the facial feature first, you can just follow your flow. So it is okay, you just need to know the proportion and you can draw a cute anime head. So it is okay if you don't want to draw hair first. And in here, I also draw the ears, so that you will know, okay, where the ears it is. Okay, now after I draw the hair and the face and the ears, of course I can draw the facial features now. And in here, because I want to make the eyes are bigger, so I draw the brow is little higher. And because I want to make it cute, so I draw the eyes is round. After the eyes, of course, we can draw the nose and mouth. And after we draw the face, now we can modify it. Just like I feel I draw the face is a little wide, so I use the hair to cover the face and make her face look like more better. And after I modify it, I add a little shadow. I finish it. Nezuko cute anime head.
Congratulations! Now you know how to draw the human face with anime drawing, right? But in here I still want to share my experience. If you draw the human face little wide, or human head little big, or eyes, nose, a mouth little closer, it will be cute. You can try it. But after you learn how to draw the realistic face and anime face, how to draw the side face. It is okay. I will teach you how to draw the side face in my next video. But maybe I will release other drawing tutorials first. So you have to subscribe my channel and open the bell so that you will not miss all of my drawing tutorials and get a reminder when I release my new video. If you think this video is really helpful for you, please share to your friends. It will help them also.
and don't forget give me a thumb up.
If you have any question, please comment below. Let me know what the problem when you are drawing. Maybe I will make a video to reply your good question. In the end, let me bring a little color to your life, and I hope you can bring your color to others' life.